know about you guys, but whenever I'm about to go out of town, I always feel the need to run to Target and see if there's anything I'm missing. Let's see what I got. Okay, first is this après ski set. I cannot believe this is Target. It is such great quality. And you guys, if you don't go skiing and you just après ski or you just want to wear this around town, it is so adorable. I love the little pattern there. It is so comfortable. I love that the top has these zip pockets. That way, if you are skiing, you can secure things in there. And then the waistband is super, super stretchy. It's also incredibly warm. And you know I'm a sucker for things that match. This jacket I have in the gingham from earlier in the fall. Love it. It's so warm. I thought the pink was super cute with this little bow detail. It does have pockets. I'm wearing a small on this. I would say it runs true to size. And of course, if they have another color option, you know I'm going to grab that. Like this one's a little bit more neutral if that's what you're looking for. This vest is actually from Amazon. It's one of my most worn vests. Now you guys have all seen these jeans already. These are my absolute favorite this season. I have them in 3 washes. They do run true to size. They are nice and stretchy, so comfortable, and I love the flare leg. This fleece is so warm and thick. I did size up to a medium, so it'd be a little bit more oversized. I think it comes in a couple different prints and colors, but it's super soft and just incredibly warm. I also have several Christmas events coming up with my kiddos, with friends, family, all that kind of stuff, so I wanted to get a couple more Christmas sweaters. This one is so cute. I love this detail here. I did size up to a medium. It's super soft, and I love these colors. I think I was really vibing with pink in this store because this sweater caught my eye. It is so adorable. I feel like this would be perfect for a kid's party. I love the colors, and again, so soft. And I do have an ugly Christmas sweater party coming up. I personally think this is adorable, but it is covered in tinsel. And last but not least, I picked up this adorable set of boxer shorts from Wild Fable. These are going to my daughter. And as always, you can head to my like to know it if you want to shop.